gente vai fazer aqui agora uma canção nessa versão acústica. O nome dessa canção é Cinderella in Love, tema do filme Shrek. Vamos lá? So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know, and baby, I'm in love. Think about it every time, think about it, can't stop, think about it. How much longer will it take to, girl, this your girl, I guess I can't get enough of it. If this love makes me wanna turn around and face me, but I don't know nothing about it. Come on, turn a little faster. Come on, the world will follow laughter. Come on, this everybody's after love. So I said it, I'm snowboard running down into the spring that's coming. All this love melting under blue skies, melting in the sunlight, shimmering love. Well, baby, I accelerate her to the strawberry ice cream. Never of this love. When I did the magnitude, there's no escaping your love. These lines of light at me will never alone. No, come on, move a little closer. Come on, but I hear a whisper. Come on, set 'em down beside my love. Come on, jump a little higher. Come on, if you feel a little lighter. Come on, you knew once upon a time in love. Accidentally 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 in love. I'm in love. Accidentally, I'm in love. Accidentally, come on, spin a little tighter. Come on, and the words a little brighter. Come on, just get yourself inside her.